Hey everybody, we've got 3 devices and each one of them has their own voice assistant software on there, so we're going to do the obvious thing and compare them and see what happens. Let's take a look. We have Google Now, Siri, and Microsoft Cortana. We're going to do some really basic tests with these and see how useful they are and how they respond to different really basic questions. We're not going to do all the features though. Where's the nearest Starbucks?
Starbucks is nearby at 3rd floor terminal building, BWI Baltimore International Airport, Colorado, in Baltimore, about 2 miles away.
For the uninitiated, Microsoft Cortana just tried to send me into an airport to get coffee, while Siri and Google Now gave me locations that were relevant to where I am. So let's try something else. Remind me to get eggs the next time I go to the store.
Sure. Remind you when you get to store. There's a Royal Farms on 7201 Baltimore Annapolis Boulevard in Glen Burnie. Is this the one you want?
No. Now, what's particularly cool about Microsoft Cortana and Google Now is that they both tried to grab actual physical locations for where to remind me when I arrive at those locations. Siri didn't do that at all. Also, Microsoft Cortana tried to do the location stuff through voice, whereas Google Now wanted to do it through some manual input where I had to reach down and touch the phone, which is kind of cool. What's next? What time is Game of Thrones on?
It's 1:24 p.m.
Okay, I canceled that reminder.
I'm going to go ahead and call that one user error, because no one got that right. Let's try again. What time is Game of Thrones on?
Let me check that. Here's what I found on the web.
Not a single one of the services was able to use my time zone to tell me when the show came on. This is kind of an all-around fail, especially from Google Now, which has a card specifically for television shows and couldn't use that same information to answer. Schedule an appointment for tomorrow.
Okay, what time does it start?
7 p.m.
Sure.
Okay.
What do you want to call it?
For tomorrow. Shall I schedule it?
Business meeting.
Sure. Add show my schedule to your calendar for tomorrow at 7 p.m. Is that right?
Yes.
I scheduled your appointment for 7 p.m. tomorrow.
Okay, I've added it. By the way, you have book time at the same time.
Google Now went full manual as soon as the command was offered. Siri tried to get a little more information, but curiously, Microsoft Cortana was the only one who noticed that I already had something booked. What's the weather like in Maryland today?
Let me check that.
The forecast in Maryland shows it'll be mostly cloudy with a high of 79 and a low of 65.
What about in New York?
Okay, I found this.
The forecast in New York shows it'll be partly sunny with a high of 74 and a low of 57.
Thanks for watching.